Well, it's been a nice day across West Texas. Temperatures into the 100s. We hit 101 today. Here's a time lapse looking over Jones AT&T Stadium. You can see the sun continues, but hardly a cloud in the sky for the day today. That's going to change as we go into tomorrow morning. We'll show you that coming up here in the next few minutes. As you take a look at the radar, no precipitation, but tomorrow there's a chance we might see a sprinkle or two show up across the area. The McGavick Skycam across South Lubbock, you can see clear skies out there. Temperatures right now, it's 91 degrees at the airport. Winds out of the south at 10 miles an hour. Dew point 44. Humidity is at 20%. Still dry, not going to be a muggy night. It's not near those record levels we've seen of 1% humidity, all-time record lows on the humidity levels. It's 84 in Clovis, 87 in Amarillo. There's a cold front trying to move in. Not much is happening with that. 91 here in Lubbock, 94 in Childress with 95 in Wichita Falls, nice and toasty. And Hobbs checks in nice and warm, 95 as well. Winds are for the most part out of the southeast, except for, look at that Amarillo, a northeasterly wind. That's where the cold front has tried to make its way into the region, but it's stalling out. We're not going to see much change beyond that. Dew points, 50s off the Caprock. That means much more moisture there for us. We need to be in the mid to upper 50s to really get a chance at a shower as we go into tomorrow. When you look at the satellite and radar combination right there, that is the cold front that has moved in across parts of the state back into Oklahoma. It's stalling out. Nothing's happening. Behind that, some cooler temperatures. And look at all that rain back up there into parts of northern New Mexico and Colorado. Much cooler there. Lots of rain. Not going to help us. Maybe the watershed up into parts of Amarillo. 85 in Guyman. It's 93 in Oklahoma City. 93 also in Dallas. And there's those temperatures just a hair bit cooler behind that frontal boundary. Let's show you that cold front moving through and what it's done and that cold air with the rain. 64 in Denver, 76 in Omaha, but we still have more heat on the way. We're just going to have to deal with it for the next few days, but there is a shift in the pattern. I'll show you that right now. We've got some showers back out here across parts of the Rockies, all this tropical moisture from the Pacific. The high pressure right here across the Lone Star State, that will be breaking down and sliding off to the east as we go into next week. That gives us a chance for tropical moisture to work its way across parts of the South Plains and then a shot at a shower or so. As we look at future clouds and radar, tomorrow morning, sunrises, be a few clouds. We've seen that the past few days, though, and then they burn off. As we get into 1:30 in the afternoon, look what happens. That stalled out frontal boundary allows for a chance of a sprinkle or two. Not everybody's going to see it. It's a small chance. But as we make our way into Saturday morning, lots of clouds on Saturday morning. We'll burn that off with all the heat, but chance of showers back down into the hill country. Take a look at temperatures overnight tonight. 74 in Lubbock, 74 in Snyder, 79 in Childress, by 6 a.m. 82 in Wichita Falls. And then look at the warm-up. You saw we hit 101 there in Lubbock, but 99 by 4 o'clock, 103 Childress, 102 in Snyder. And then as we get into Saturday morning, well, temperatures cooling off into the low 70s. So 72 the overnight low tonight, few clouds, mild temperatures, winds out of the southwest 5 to 10. Tomorrow 102. We'll have sunny and hot. Stray storm is possible, but not anybody's going to get really lucky, just one or two folks. 102 tomorrow, 100 on Saturday. Sunday, we're at 96. Nice warm weekend with a few clouds. Then we see that shift in the pattern. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, a chance of a storm. And look at that, mid to lower 90s for forecasted highs. That's not too bad. With these shots of showers, it's going to be very light, nothing significant. Stick around. Sports is coming up next.